Next method is called click remove raw template. So click remove raw template, colon function, there we go, for ID parameter, span, and URL. We start with the strict mode, so use strict. And then we start with var this temp variable equals tr id equals click remove, then concatenating this, hyphen, then single quote and concatenation with the ID of the specific record, then concatenating this with the closing, double quote, closing tr, tag, single quote, and semicolon. Then we check if span is more than 1. Then what we do, this temp plus equals to concatenate it with the previous string. We go for td call span equals and concatenating this with a span plus closing td and semicolon. Then we concatenate the string again. This temp plus equals, we start with a div with a class fl underscore r. Then we go this temp plus equals a href hash for the href attribute, data hyphen url equals, and then we concatenating this with the url, and let's actually put semicolon here. Then we go this temp plus equals closing double quote class equals click remove raw, then mrr5, which is basically giving us margin from the right hand side of 5 pixels, and then yes. And then this temp plus equals, we go for another a tag, href with the hash, and this one will have a class equals click remove raw confirm no as a label, closing a tag. Then we concatenate this with this temp plus equals, we closing div tag. Then this temp plus equals, we concatenating this with the span class warn warning, which is basically going to apply the red text color. Are you sure you wish to remove this record? br single quote semicolon. Then we concatenate it again, this temp plus equals, and we continue. There is no undo, an exclamation mark, br, then actually we don't need this br here, closing span, single quote and semicolon. This temp concatenating again, let me just scroll up a little bit. And now we concatenate this with closing td tag, this temp closing tr tag, and then return this temp. So a template has now been created, and we obviously can return it at the end. So that's our click remove raw template method.